Okay, let's get some of that chocolate rain going here. That's a lot of chocolate. What's up, guys? So today we have a Ghirardelli square challenge. So we got 150 of them. Each of these bags has 50 squares in there. They all weigh about like almost 2 pounds. But yeah, you have 25 servings in each one of these. A serving size is 2 squares, and it's 130 calories. So the whole thing is going to be about 9,750 calories. Okay. All right, here's the different flavors you got here. You got milk chocolate caramel, dark chocolate caramel with some sea salt, and also you got the dark chocolate cacao. Okay. Okay, guys. So we got the milk chocolate caramel, dark chocolate salted caramel, milk chocolate squares, and the dark chocolate cacao. All right, I think I can get this done in about 30 minutes here, but let's see how it goes. All right, I'm going to start off with the milk chocolate caramel. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ghirardelli. Oh yeah. Welcome to the Ghirardelli Square Challenge. These chocolates are definitely delicious, and everything tastes better with a 90-degree angle. Oh my god, it's so good. Ugh, I love milk chocolate and caramel. Try the dark chocolate with caramel. Salty, chocolatey, sugary. Oh yeah, that's a good combination of flavors. My favorite flavor from this challenge would be the milk chocolate with the caramel. Nothing against the dark chocolate, but yeah, just not my favorite. Caramel might be the best thing ever created. Alright, let's try the regular, just dark chocolate square. Not sure how I feel about this. I don't really like dark chocolate. Let's get it in there. Not bad. Nice and healthy. Okay, those dark chocolate ones are hard to eat for sure. Let's mix it up here. We got the Ghirardelli sandwich. Yeah, pretty good mix them up. The difficulty for this challenge would be all of that delicious sugar. Also, the counter I was using was kind of off. It was kind of hard for me to tell how many I was stuffing in my mouth at one time. Oh yeah, I'm getting a freaking cavity from this. Yeah, I gotta mix up the caramel ones with this dark chocolate. The dark chocolate is gross. I'm sure it's good dark chocolate, but I don't like dark chocolate, so. Last one of these, thank God. We got Valentine's Day coming up, so if you love somebody, give them the milk chocolate caramel. If you hate somebody, give them the dark chocolate. Oh yeah. These are good. As far as chocolate goes, that you normally get in the store, going to give this Ghirardelli square probably about a 9 or 10. The after effects of this, though, definitely had a huge headache the next day. If you saw the full-size candy bar challenge, you're gonna know that candy kind of kills me. But yeah, so you get the rest of these done. Feel pretty good. Definitely a lot of Ghirardelli squares though, for sure, 150. Still super delicious though, for sure. Comment down below what your favorite Ghirardelli square is. Caramel, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. If you said dark chocolate, I'm gonna be judging you a little bit. Delicious. Almost done with the milk chocolate here. Oh yeah, baby. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, caramel smash sandwich. Sad to see him go, but gotta do it. Yeah, last 2 plates of food. All right. Oh yeah. Double caramel, baby. Delicious. Yeah, my hands are cramping. My hands are cramping already. I'm not exactly sure why my hands start cramping when I'm eating all this sugar. I think it's just from dehydration. Also, my legs and basically everything else was cramping too. So much sugar. Let's go, baby. Got a little bit more food left, and yeah, we'll be done. And shout out Costco for inspiring me to eat 150 of these. The inspiration came from them just having them available for me to buy. I couldn't imagine eating 300 of these. Continuing on with everybody's favorite chocolate sandwich. Caramel chocolatey explosion. Not sure how many squares are left, but got a couple. According to Google, the Ghirardelli square has been around since 1852. Yep, 171 years of delicious chocolate. This was all done in San Francisco. Goodbye. Last one, baby, of the dark chocolate. Whoa! Oh yeah, look at that. That's what a hand crumble looks like. Jesus Christ. Ghirardelli, you make a good square. What started out as a good thing has now become torturous. Oh my God. Yeah, around this point, the chocolate felt like it was fighting back because I was feeling pretty sick. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, about 16 squares left, or 17. It's definitely the most amount of candy I've eaten since the last candy challenge, so. This This amount of chocolate is insane. All right, 12 left, baby. Let's go. Ugh. Oh yeah, this is a struggle. It's crazy. This is only like 4.5, 5 pounds because yeah, it feels like it's 20 or 10 at least. Yeah, well, this is the last one here. It's kind of falling apart. Let's get this down, baby. Ugh. What's up, baby? My hands are cramping super bad from all that sugar, but yeah, 150 Ghirardelli squares. That was definitely tough. I'm not sure how much time I did in, but yeah, I'm feeling a little rough from all that chocolate and sugar. And yeah, guys, definitely don't try doing that in your own house or apartment. But yeah, hey, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, leave a comment, share this freaking thing. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.